this is Dr. H, and I am going to show you a little bit on how to use Audacity, a free and very useful audio editing software that you can download. So first off, I have my Audacity project open, and I have here an audio file called James Brown Spoken. It's taken from the intro of a James Brown song, and all I need to do to import it into Audacity is just drag and drop the file. It's a little bit under 8 seconds long. I'll play it for you right now.
Fellas, I'm ready to get up and do my thing. I want to get into it, man, you know, like a sex machine, man, doing it, you know. Can I count it off? 1, 2, 3, 4.
I only want to use just a little bit of this. So one of the useful features is if you look up here, you have these plus and minus magnifying lenses. You can zoom in and zoom out of the audio file. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit here, and I decided I want to start my audio clip here.
Get up and do my thing. I want to
Get up and do my thing. To delete the portion of the audio file before that, all I have to do is drag around that portion and hit delete. Now, I want to delete everything after a certain point, so I zoom out so I can see the whole file. Drag and drop around the rest of it there. Hit delete on my keyboard. And now I have a file that's just a little bit more than 1 second in duration. Let's listen to it.
get up and do my thing.
It's very easy to go ahead and edit this audio, to alter it. So first off, I just drag around it. I go up to the effects menu up here. And let's say I want to time stretch it. So I come down here to this effect. It's called Paul Stretch. That's their time stretching software. And when I release it, you can see this box pops up. This has a stretch factor of 2. That means it's going to make it twice as long. I could make it, say, 3, but I'm going to settle on 2. Hit OK, and you can see it doubled the length of the audio. Let's go ahead and give it a listen. All right. So, of course, I can always undo that by hitting Command Z, and it goes back to its original length. Another thing that I should show you is that you can actually fade in and fade out on clips. So you can see I selected just the very end of the clip. I go up to Effect, find Fade Out, and it automatically fades out the end of that clip. So that way there, if you have any pops or noises at the end of the clip, you can remove those. I can also zoom in, and let's say I want to fade in on the clip there. Grab and drag that, go to Effect, Fade In, and now I have both a fade in and a fade out on my audio clip. Another useful thing I can do, if I select that there, is say I want to change the pitch of the clip. So I go down here, I find Change Pitch, and I can drag this up or down. 0 is no change, but I could go up a certain amount, hit OK. Now let's listen to the result.
Get up and do my thing.
So I increase the pitch. It hasn't changed the length of the clip. Or I hit Command Z, it goes back to normal. I go back to change pitch. I can lower it. Now let's listen to it.
Get up and do my thing.
So that's very useful there. Now, let's say you want to reverse your clip. That is extremely easy. Go up to Effect, go down to Reverse, and now the clip is backwards. All right, there are many more effects than that, but let's say I'm ready to export my clip and then I can insert it in my DAW. So to export the audio from here, you go up to File, Export, and I have a choice. I could either do export as MP3, export as WAV, export as OGG, or the default export audio. Well, I've decided I want to export this as a WAV file. I'm going to call this James Brown Reverse. Hit Save. If I want to add other information, I can. I click there. And there is my clip. As you can hear, this is very useful for any kind of music concrete or any kind of audio manipulation project that you want to do.